Hey, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a celebrity divorce that was attempted to be filed secretly, but has now been exposed for the public to see. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be kept up to date with everything. Thanks so much for those of you who have subscribed and those who've continued to hang around the channel, to comment, and to like the videos. I really appreciate it so much. And thank you so much. And if you have any legal issues that you'd like me to touch on, you find any celebrity stories, any legal issues you'd like me to look into, please put it in the comments. Let me know. I do try to read all the comments. And if it's something that I think is interesting to a large group of people, then I'll bring it up and do my best to try to get you the information on it. So, with that being said, Good Morning America's Rob Marciano and his wife Erin have been married for 11 years, and news broke that his wife Erin had filed for a divorce in June of 2021. Now, Rob is a meteorologist on Good Morning America, and he's had some absences due to COVID and some other things, but I'm sure that this has taken a toll on him as well. And he indicates in the story that he had tried to save the marriage, but for whatever reason, it's not working. And so Erin ultimately filed for divorce in June of 2021. They do have some children, and he says that's his primary focus. I'm sure that she would say the same thing if she was interviewed on the subject. So it'll be interesting to see how this particular divorce will play out in the area of custody, visitation, support, and all of those things. But what I found most interesting was that the news article indicated that Erin tried to file this divorce secretly. And that caught my attention because I'm like, what do you mean secretly? So I think what they were attempting to do was try to keep it quiet so nobody would know about it, nobody would hear about it. But apparently there was some change in the lawyers that Rob had, and for some reason that triggered something for the media. It's for them to be able to figure out that there was a divorce case going on. So it led me to this: can you keep your divorce case a secret? Because if we can be honest, divorce is still one of those things that has a stigma to it. It's not the ideal. People don't get into marriage with the expectation that they are going to get divorced. And there's a lot of people who, if they see that marriage is getting ready to come to an end and that a divorce is likely, they want to know, can we keep our personal affairs private? Is there a way for us not to have to put everything out in the open? Kind of like what Erin was apparently attempting to do. And the answer is some things yes, but most things no. For example, the divorce filing itself is a public record. And unless there's some extraordinary circumstance where you can get a court to seal the record, and that would require all kinds of different hoops to jump through in different courts, almost all divorces are public record. The complaints, the answers to the counterclaims, all of those things are public record. So if you file a divorce, there's not really any way for you to hide that. It's going to be public record. If you end up having a separation agreement where you agree on the issues, and even if you put in there you agree to keep things quiet, it's going to be incorporated into the decree, which is also a public record. And unless you can get the judge to seal that as well, then it's going to be out there for the public to see too. So the quick answer is most likely no. It is likely always going to be public. It's almost never going to be private. So keep that in mind if you're going to be filing for divorce, that you can try to do it secretly, but if somebody's really looking for it, they can find it on court websites or things of that nature. So if you're looking for an attorney that can help you with these sensitive issues, feel free to hit me up. You can go to my website at drewpage.com. You can fill out the contact form. Even if you're in another state, I can either refer it, or I can. There are some mechanisms for me to be able to go to other jurisdictions. So if I can be of some help to you, go to the website, fill out the contact form, and be glad to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and until next time, stay tuned.